Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about Olivia the Candle Maker. Olivia is trying to quickly find if her products have a description written out already. To find this information faster, she wants to create a column that will tell her products need description for any rows that are missing a description still for her Etsy products. To figure this out, we're going to utilize the IFERROR function. Okay, so you can see here that she has a list of her product IDs, the product description, and then the column that we're going to be focusing in on, which is the still needed column. That's where we're going to type in this IFERROR function. Now what we're going to program Excel to do is say that if the row actually still does not have any data in it outside of the $NA symbol, if it has something, then it'll display what's actually in the cell. If it has that $NA, that's an error, and it's going to say IFERROR display this. So let me break down what that looks like. We're going to type in the equal symbol in cell C3 and type IFERROR. And now the value that we're looking for is going to be in B2. We're going to focus on one row at a time. B2, and if there is an error, if it is the $N/A, if it is that, I'm going to type in a comma to close out that value, and then IFERROR, I want it to say product description needed. Now I'm going to add that closing parenthesis and press enter. And now, since it did not have an error, it displays what was actually there, which is the description that's already there. So now I'm going to actually double click this little square. You can click and drag it down or double click it, and it'll fill in the rest of the information. And you can see that it fills in where there was an error, where it does say the $N/A. It says product description needed. And then you can see for all of the other ones, it actually just displays the description that was there on her Etsy shop already. It already shows that there's an actual description there. So nothing else is needed. But now you can clearly see here, product description needed. That gives her a clear view of what she needs to work on, and all of these other ones she can just put aside for later if she wants to work on them later. Now Olivia knows how to find errors on her spreadsheet and how to display what she wants her spreadsheets to say if errors do come up. This is something that's pretty valuable to her just in terms of finding where there are errors for finding descriptions, but there are lots of uses for this as well. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below, and until next time, have fun excelling!